Today in this video, we will be creating a password generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. It generates passwords and you can copy them. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, touch them. And I will be sharing the source code in my GitHub. Link will be in the description. And I will show you how to deploy your site to GitHub and take the deployment link as well in this video. So it works and we can copy it and we can paste. Okay guys, now what you should do is we are going to create the first set of codes here. Shift exclamation tab, body. We're going to create a h1. Yeah, it works. This is it for the HTML, but we forgot to link our CSS, and we are going to link our JavaScript. So we need script JS. Okay, but I have this. Sorry. And yes, nice. Okay, now we go to the CSS and we code asterisk. Padding is going to be 0. Box sizing is going to be border box. Okay. Enter. We're going to have body, which is going to have the font family of Roboto, sans-serif, and it's going to have display flex, justify content, center, align items, center, and min height is going to be 100, report height with background color of white. We're going to have a container, which is going to have the width, max width, and background color and border radius. Okay. Going to have the pivot elements here and the form group. Another form group. This is going to be the form group label. Form group input and form group button. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we are going to another form button. Another one, and okay, guys, we're going to have JavaScript. So before we go to JavaScript, let's see what we have created with HTML and CSS. That means what we have styled and structured so far. So top preview. Okay, it's looking the same. looking the same, guys. So it has the how effects as well, but it's don't generate any. So that's what we need to fix here. So we can type, but we don't type, it should give it perfect. Okay, and you will be able to copy it, but now we can't copy. So that's what we are going to do from JavaScript. Let's do it. I'll be keep this the preview open. No, let's go app.js. I'm going to have consist. This will be the name of consist. Function event handler, and it's going to have a true function, and it's going to have hidden, and it's going to have another false action, and we close. Okay, enter. For the content type, we are going to give all the numbers we are going to give. We are going to give all from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, A, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. It's there. Now we are going to have 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Now we are going to have all the signs here. Yeah, all the signs are here. Yeah, and this one also there. Next, let's sit here, and we are going to do one call. Yeah, we're going to have a variable prototype. We're going to have this. Then it's done from there. Okay. Next, no catches yet. I'm going to use catches. We have this. Oh, you get a help. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, we go another enter under auto and code. Oh, we are not going to enter the goals yet. Okay. Next we will have catches. Oh, cancel and enter. Yeah, that's all what we have coded here in JavaScript. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. Let's see the final outcome of this video. As you can see here, we can see that it's looking pretty good in the user interface wise, but we cannot see that it's fully functioning in the backend side. So let's see how it works now. So I'm going to press generate, and it gives me a random password. If I generate again, it gives me another random with brackets. Okay, gives lots of password, and you can even copy it and you can paste it. I will show you in my VS Code. Yeah, you can paste it. Same thing, yeah. Okay, and still this video is not done. We are going to show you how you can deploy this site to GitHub. Okay, now I'm in my GitHub. We're going to create a new repository, and the repository name is going to be password. Yeah, password. And we are going to create repository, and we're going to upload file. Okay, guys. Yes, this is how you deploy or make the repository in GitHub. And when I click through it, it goes to the main page where our app.js and index.html and styles.css is. Okay, so I can add a readme too if I want to. This is what we have done for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video of coding with me. So I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.